All right, tonight we are going to fry up some fish. Now, these were fresh caught out of the Satilla River back in February. They were then cleaned, filleted, put into this bag, and then thrown into the deep freezer. So it's been about a month. Well, not even quite a month. So these have been thawing out all day, and we are going to now transfer them into this bowl behind us. All right, we are going to take these fish and give them one good bath. Get them out of these juices. Let's get them as clean as possible. Fish have been washed and are thoroughly clean. We have got the oil on medium high around 7. We're going to wait till it comes up to temp around 360 to 375. Then we'll be ready to batter and start frying some fish. All right, so our oil is around 368, 370. Let's go ahead and get some of these fish into the breading and go ahead and start frying up. All right, we've got 4 pieces in the fryer. We're going to fry these for just a few minutes each. And anything longer than, I'd say, 3.5 minutes, and you're going to have tough fish. The first 2 have come off, and look at how perfectly golden brown those are. Nice. All right, we've got most of it done. Looking perfect. We've got a few more pieces to go. In the meantime, I'm going to get this pan ready to go. And what we're going to do is toast some hoagie rolls here. Actually, these are more like Philly rolls. But we're going to make a fish sandwich. Almost McDonald's style with tartar sauce and cheese melted on top. Yeah, that's what we're going to have tonight. Okay, so the bun has been toasted. We're on our last batch of fish here. They're getting ready to come out. I've already sliced up some cheese. We're going to lay the fish on, then the cheese, and throw that under the broiler for just a few minutes. All the fish is done. We've got the sandwich in the broiler. We're going to wait till that melts. We got the mac and cheese coming out of the microwave. Now, this is that baked mac and cheese that I made a few cooks ago. Maybe it was the last cook. But what you can do is you can freeze mac and cheese. So I thawed this out with the fish today. And now we're going to spruce up the mac and cheese with a little bit of milk. That way it's not dry. Mix it around and this sandwich should be ready here in just a few. So that has melted perfect. Let's get the rest of it put together. So this was the tartar sauce I made earlier today. Be sure to check out that video. And now we're going to add it to the bun and get it all put together. Sauced up that top bun, added some extra sauce down here. Oh yeah, about to cut that. Add some mac and cheese onto the plate and we're good to go. And there you have it, folks. There's tonight's dinner. A fresh Satilla River fried fish sandwich with some mac and cheese. Those came out beautiful. Let's put this inside of us. It is currently on the outside. It needs to be on the inside. If you've enjoyed the content, by all means, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that like button. And be sure to hit the bell icon. That way you receive notifications every single time I make an upload. Hope you're having a fantastic evening. This is Cooking with Tatted, and have a good one.